Here is how to create the positive formation of the present perfect. You conjugate to have in the present simple. And then you add the past participle of the verb. For example, I have run 3 marathons. Have is to have in the present simple, conjugated for I, the subject, and run is the past participle of the verb. You have seen all of the Star Wars films. He, she, it has listened to the Rolling Stones' latest album. We have become very close friends. They have worked hard on the project. Notice how the past participles are very similar to the past simple forms of the verbs. But also remember that many verbs are irregular in the past simple. So you have to memorize the past participle of verbs. And here is how you create the negative formation. Put not between to have and the past participle. That's it. I have not run 3 marathons. You have not seen all of the Star Wars films. He, she, it has not listened to the Rolling Stones' latest album. We have not become very close friends. They have not worked hard on the project. In the present perfect, there are many contractions because it uses the verb have. So while you are speaking or doing informal writing, these are the following contractions that you can use. Instead of I have, you can use I've. Instead of you have, you can use you've. Instead of we have, you can use we've. Instead of they have, you can use they've. Instead of have not, you can use haven't. And instead of has not, you can use hasn't. Remember that contractions are appropriate for informal writing and speaking. So on an English proficiency test, while speaking, you can use contractions, but while you are writing, you should use formal writing, which means you should not use contractions.